The M-ATV is a mine-resistant ambush-protected, or MRAP. Refers to a high-mobility, high-protection medium tactical vehicle specifically engineered for treacherous environments. Derived from the Medium Tactical Vehicle Replacement Platform, the M-ATV is a MRAP vehicle that incorporates the TIA K4 independent suspension system to provide proven, durable, best-in-class mobility. This vehicle can be used in special reconnaissance and target acquisition, military intelligence, conventional and unconventional warfare, and command control communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Moreover, the M-ATV was produced by Oshkosh Defense, which came from battlefield experience. Years of protracted conflict in Iraq and Afghanistan show deficiencies in protection against modern asymmetric threats like mines and IEDs of some vehicles in use by the U.S. military. The Hummer in particular was gradually replaced by the MRAP. Then, in the summer of 2008, the U.S. Department of Defense examined the possibility of fielding a lighter, all-terrain MRAP variant. Until then, Buffaloes and Cougars formed the essential part of U.S. MRAPs and were quite heavy, lacking agility and speed. The only light ones in service were of South African origin, like the RG-31 Nyala. This new model was to be tailored for the poor roads and extreme terrain of Afghanistan. 20 companies raised to the challenge, and the DoD examined the propositions from August to mid-November 2008, and the new model was to be named M-ATV for MRAP All-Terrain Vehicle. In regard to its design and features, the M-ATV assault vehicle is built based on the Medium Tactical Vehicle Replacement chassis. It features an armored capsule made of bolt-on armor materials. Its hull offers reduced visual, thermal, and electromagnetic signatures. The extended wheelbase results in large interior space. Moreover, the single-compartment crew capsule houses modular seating to accommodate up to 11 crew members on 2 forward-facing, 3 rear-facing seats, and 2 rows of 3 inward-facing, fixed-configuration foldable seats. The center seat in the second row can be converted into a gunner stand. The seating is designed to ensure easy ingress and egress, while the rear wall and roof hatches enable rapid deployment of troops on the battlefield. Moving on further, we will take a look at its armament. The M-ATV Assault is fitted with a Moog reconfigurable integrated weapons platform, which is armed with an orbital ATKM 230 LF 30mm lightweight automatic chain gun, an M249 machine gun, a Javelin missile, and a long-range target acquisition sensor suite. The dual-axis stabilized system is guided by a single or dual-axis independently stabilized sight system to increase the first round hit probability on the move. The Universal Missile Platform also allows for firing of a wide range of existing ground platform missiles of the U.S. Army. In addition to the standard model, the M-ATV is available in a variety of variants. The first one is the M-ATV SOCOM. It is configured for special operations with a cargo area capable of being fitted with swappable equipment packs, large windscreens for increased visibility, seating for a 5th passenger or gunner, and rear cargo access door. The second one is the M-ATV Utility. It is fitted with an expanded flat cargo area. And the third one is the M-ATV Tactical Ambulance, which featuring litters for up to 4 patients. In addition, the M-ATV is the replacement for the Humvee, because the Humvee is a thin-layer sheet metal and didn't do enough to protect the Marines. According to Phillips, the production superintendent for the M-ATV line at the production plant, the repair cost of each vehicle is about $385,000. The website for the manufacturer of the M-ATV, the Oshkosh Corporation, lists the cost of a brand new M-ATV. The price is estimated at around $400,000 to $1 million depending on the model. In regard to the exports, the United Arab Emirates Army initially ordered 55 M-ATVs through an FNS sale in 2011, and this country ordered another 750 M-ATVs direct from Oshkosh in July 2012. These are to provide greater off-road mobility and crew protection for regional security and peacekeeping operations. Users include the elite Presidential Guard. Also, in September 2014, the UAE requested another 44 M-ATVs from U.S. surplus stocks, followed by Saudi Arabian Army that began negotiations for an order for an undisclosed number of M-ATVs in September 2013. This country received an estimated 450 M-ATVs, including some extended wheelbase variants, and another export was on April 2014. For the information, the U.S. government donated 162 M-ATVs to the Croatian Army for use in small-scale combat operations in urban and restricted environments. 15 M-ATVs are going to the Croatian Special Forces Command. 5 are with the Support Command, 2 with the Military Police Regiment, and 78 entered service with the Croatian Army in 2015, with a further 62 to follow in 2016 for the 1st Battalion of the Motorized Guards Brigade in Gospic. In June 2016, photographs released by the Iraqi Ministry of Defense showed M-ATVs with Iraqi Special Operations Forces, which is also known as the Counter-Terrorism Service Units, advancing northwards for the operation to retake the Islamic State-held city of Mosul. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, comment, and the most important one is to hit the subscribe button for more updates on other interesting videos.